Hello everyone, my name is Indrani Ravindra Kumar Hiremat. I am the student of Computer Science Engineering branch from the Division D. Today I am explaining the one concept of the electric and electronic engineering. So let's start. So you can see here the uh, diagram of the multimeter. Now we are going to learn the working principle of the multimeter. So you can see the diagram here. All are the label diagram, which is first one is digital display, second is continuity deeper, third one is resistance, fifth is AC voltmeter, and then DC voltmeter, selector switch, and then current terminal, again here the common ground, and here the frequency, AC current, and then voltage frequency. Here all they are the label. Now we are starting. So you can see here one of the flow chart of the multimeter, how the multimeter works. First we give the input and it goes to the current source, to the buffer amplifier, and then it goes to the ADC, and it is display. Here the 3 and here the 4 are the circuit, which is calibrated, shunt and shunt collaborated. Now we are going to see what is the alternator. This is the working principle of the multimeter. First one is the alternator. So what is the alternator? The HT voltage to be within the range of the ADC. And second one is the analog digital converter. This is the core component. It converts the conditional analog DC voltage into the DC discrete digital signal. Third one is a sub display or control logic. This is the process the digital data perform in necessary calculation and divide the digital display to show the final measured value. Here is the working principle of the voltmeter. First one is the explanation of the multimeter with the diagram. The definition of this multimeter is a DMM, or an electronic instrument that combines the function of an ammeter, voltmeter, and the ohm into a single unit, providing a digital display. What is the working principle of the multimeter? So let's learn. Multimeter, it converts the major analog input resistance to the proportional DC voltage, which is then digitalized and analyzed. And third one is the input controlling. The input signal voltage, current, or the resistance is first passed through the dedicated circuit to convert the measurement into the proportional DC voltage. So now we see the working principle of the multimeter. Second one is the alternator. HD voltage to be within the range of the ADC. And second, what is the analog digital converter? So this is the core component of the it convert the conditional analog DC voltage into the DC discrete digital signal. And fifth one is a display or a control logic. The process the digital data perform in necessary calculation and divide the digital display to show the final measured value. Here we learn working principle and the flow diagram of the multimeter, how it works and what is its important. So yes, thank you.